Yeah, here are many old traditional boats. We are about 2 blocks north of Jalan Hangtua on the beach or on the shore. I see 2 boats here which are probably sort of finished, or 3 of them. Many bits and pieces missing there, wooden boats. Let me make a break. I'll walk down here a bit. So. Yeah, here are the same boats you saw before, and here we got one. There was a gentleman here who spoke a bit of English, and he said, this is a glass fiber boat. Yeah, maybe you can see it. And still have, I think, the arms for the outriggers. They have bamboo or some other outriggers. They are forced to grow this way. It takes, I heard some said, 7 years or 8 years. Let's walk up and look inside. It's windy. Daytime about 10 meters per second or 20 knots. And the guy just said that's a bad time for the fishermen. They can't go out in these traditional boats. The waves are too big, he said, about 1 meter. So this is a glass fiber boat. He said would have a 15 horsepower outboard engine put here. And here is one sail. If you see in the middle of the picture you can see whitish cloth, grayish cloth wound about a yard. And I think that's the sail. They carry they have masts. There's this short thing in the front of the boat. And they have sort of a Latin sail, so the yard is not horizontal, it's 45 degrees leaning to the vertical or something. Now this is a bit of a boat repair station. And you can see on the flag there it's windy. Oops. Yeah, I've been sailing one of these boats with the captain, and that maybe 30 years ago. And I saw one sailing 1 or 2 years ago, but it's a dying breed, I think.